first chamba in the Mamalonskis. Pulling up to the little condo community. Working on this little whip right here. Got the little fin right here. About to work. I reported to the customer that the alternator is not the issue. It's the oil leak. Power steering will fuck your shit up. But we got him a new one anyways, because that shit went out. No more work because of all the oil. Take care of your oil leaks, man. Tap in. That guy be leaking. So all that oil from that pump comes down and drip. Right here where the alternator is missing right now. Look at all this. A la primera y sin fallas, my boy. Brand new down there.